To begin this meditation, please bring kind awareness to why you choose this topic, the emotions that you can associate with these visceral feelings, how you might feel with increased awareness around this topic. Hello and welcome to this guided meditation that combines awareness of the breath with compassion for the self. In this practice, we will use the breath as a tool to support the cultivation of self-love. To begin, settle into a seated position, elongate your spine and relax your shoulders, closing your eyes when you're ready. Ground your attention into the surface beneath you, whether that is a chair, the floor, or something else, and notice that you are supported. Sense the energy of the space supporting you. Notice the energy or presence of the surface holding you, as well as that of the air surrounding you. Then take a few long clearing breaths in any way that feels comfortable for you. Invite your thoughts to soften with each out-breath. Continue to notice the natural flow of your breath for a few moments of silence. Allow the breath to flow at its own depth and pace. Each breath we take supports the body, so each breath is like an act of love. So I invite you to breathe with this awareness, letting each breath be an offering of love to your body. As you inhale, feel a sense of love, compassion, and kindness growing inside of you. And let each exhale help to soften your thinking mind and any tension you might be holding. Each breath fills you with love, which awakens the energy of self-compassion. As you continue to breathe now, you might repeat, I love myself with each breath that I take. I love myself with each breath that I take. I love myself with each breath that I take. Continue to sense into the energy of compassion that fills you. It fills you from the inside and from the outside. Stay here for a little while longer, and if you notice your mind wanders away, just return to the flow of your loving breath. I love myself with each breath that I take. I love myself with each breath that I take. I love myself with each breath that I take. Sense into this loving breath for a few final moments now. Release any words from your mind now, and breathing naturally sends into the surface, supporting you. Reconnect with your physical body by welcoming some light movement. You might gently wiggle your fingers or your toes. And whenever you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes, letting loving breaths continue to support you throughout the day.